Okay, so today we're going to do something pretty cool. We're going to build a seriously powerful AI helper. And get this, we'll do it in about 5 minutes, with absolutely zero coding required. Let's jump right in.
You know that feeling, right? That sense that you're just constantly swamped by all the little repetitive tasks. I mean, who isn't drowning in their inbox or spending way too many hours researching new leads? It's the daily grind, and it's a universal problem for sure.
But what if there was a better way? Imagine having a new kind of teammate, a digital teammate, that could just take on all of that mundane work for you. That would free you up to actually focus on the stuff that really matters, the stuff you're best at. And here's the best part. Actually, there are two best parts. First, this teammate works around the clock, 24/7, and never needs a coffee break. And second, you don't need to be some kind of programming genius to build one. This is something that is accessible to literally everyone right now. So what exactly is this thing we're talking about? Let's be really clear here. This is a massive revolutionary leap beyond the simple automation tools you might have used before. We're talking about something fundamentally different. Okay, so the official name for this is an AI agent. And as the source material puts it, it's a program that doesn't just blindly follow orders. No, it can actually reason, it can plan, and it can act on your behalf, all on its own. So you want to think of it less like a simple script and more like a genuinely intelligent assistant. And this is what really breaks it down. Think about old-school automation. It's super rigid, right? It's all just, if this happens, then do that. It can't handle anything unexpected. AI agents, though, they're on a whole other level. They understand instructions in just plain English. They can look at a complex situation and figure out the best way forward, kind of like a person would. Okay, theory is great, but let's get our hands dirty. Let's shift gears and actually see how this works in the real world. Right now, we're going to walk through building a genuinely useful agent that can help manage your customer emails. So for this, we're going to use a tool called Lindy.ai. It's perfect for getting started. First thing, super easy. You just sign up and start a new agent. Then you set the trigger. You know, what's the thing that wakes it up? In our case, it's a new email landing in Gmail. And finally, you just add a simple condition in plain English telling it to only pay attention to customer inquiries. See, no code, just simple instructions. All right, part 2. This is where the magic really happens. You've got to give your agent some brains, right? Well, you can literally just copy and paste your company's website address, and the agent will crawl it to learn all about what you do. Then you just tell it what to do, the action, like draft a professional response. And that's it. You test it out, set it live, and you're good to go. It's really that simple. And if you're wondering if this is actually worth it, just listen to this. This quote from the source material really shows the real-world impact. Can you imagine turning a task that takes 15 minutes into a quick 10-second review? That's the power of what we just built in 5 minutes. It's huge. But look, that email helper, that's just scratching the surface. Once you get the basic idea down, you can apply this to so many different parts of your work. The possibilities are, well, they're pretty much endless. Let's look at a few proven examples. If you're in sales or marketing, listen up, because this is a total game changer. You can have an agent that automatically researches every single new lead that comes in, or one that drafts personalized outreach emails for you. You could even have an agent that goes out and gathers research for your next blog post. We're talking about hours and hours of manual work just done, instantly. And it's not just for customer-facing stuff. It's just as powerful for your own internal operations. I mean, think about an agent that puts together a full dossier on everyone you're about to meet with, or one that can summarize those painfully long email threads for you. The goal is always the same. Automate the busy work so you can free up your brain for what really counts. And look, if you're still not convinced, if you need a cold, hard number to see the impact, check this out. In a case study on an e-commerce company, they found that a single AI agent could handle 70% of their support emails automatically. 70%. I mean, that is just a massive, massive gain in efficiency.
Okay, so we've covered a lot, right? We've seen what these agents are, what they can do. So let's boil it all down into a super simple action plan you can use like today.
It's really just 4 simple steps. First, pick a platform. Lindy's a great place to start. Second, and this is key, figure out what your biggest time drain is. What's that one task you hate doing? Third, just follow that 5-minute setup we just covered. And finally, test it, watch it, and make it better over time. The trick is to start small, prove it works, and then build from there.
So look, the tech is finally here. It's not some far-off future thing. And the tools are so easy to use. Your first digital teammate is literally just 5 minutes away. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build?